So, like I told you guys, I am late for this pickup by 10 to 15 minutes. So, this warehouse is not strict when it comes to pickup time. Man, I tried to get through Atlanta. I was early, but once I got to Atlanta, I had to get around Atlanta because I dropped off my last load in Fairborn, Georgia. And that pushed me back a little bit. So I had to get through Atlanta, then start heading north to Chattanooga. We're in Chattanooga right now. It is currently about 98 degrees. Feels like 105 though. Yeah, it is definitely